Hey guys and girls, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, we finally escaped the city traffic, which was pretty cool to get out in the bush. Now right now we're at the Merritons campground just past the Thompson Dam. Now we're here just for a quick overnight. It's going to be a bit chilly tonight. Looks like it might get to minus whatever it will be. We've got the fire happening over there, got the swag set up, got steak for dinner. Now tomorrow we're doing just a bit of a loop, just a nice easy drive around the Thompson Dam area. We're going to pop into a hut which was restored about 10 years ago by a club, and I actually helped restore this particular hut, so it'd be good to see how it turned out and how it's managed over the last 10 years. There's been a few upgrades around that particular hut area, and at Merritons there's been a lot of upgrades here too. It's got a lot more new bollards, new fire pits and all the rest of it, so it's going to be really good. Fire's going over there. We're going to probably have a steak for dinner tonight, a bit of pasta salad. And what we'll do tomorrow morning, we'll have a look at the map and work out where we're going. Now I've got a special navigator with me tomorrow who'll be showing us around the Thompson Dam area. So let's get started, eh? So where are we, Heidi, right now? We're here? And we're going to go which way, you reckon? That way?
Yes.
Yeah, and then where?
All the way up to here.
All the way up to there. All right. Ready? Let's go, huh? Here we come into Walhalla, which was established in 1862. Ned Stringer found gold in a nearby creek, and thus the town got established. Another interesting fact, in 1998, 100 years after most of the Australian major towns were connected to the electricity grid, Walhalla got power. So let's have a look through Walhalla. Just aired down, just outside Walhalla, and I've finally just hit the dirt now. Tracks are nice and dry. It's a bit unexpected because we had a little bit of rain last night. We'll just drive on and see what happens for the rest of the day. So let's get stuck in, eh? Alright guys, we've made it to Store Point Hut now. Store Point Hut was restored over a decade ago, 10 years ago, restored by a four-wheel drive club, which I am a member, and I'm proud to say that I had a part in restoring the hut. So it's changed a lot around here over the last decade since it's been restored. Some old photos in there. I think I've still got some photos at home, which I may put up in this video, of when we restored the hut. So I had a big hand in restoring this hut, and I'm sort of proud of myself, to be quite honest. I'll go and have a look. There's been a lot of changes since the last time I was here at Store Point, and it would have been a number of years ago. I think I've got an old, there's a video there. I'll stick the link, you know, up there or wherever it goes. I'll put the link to the previous video so you can see how much it's changed around here since the last time I was here. So we'll have a quick look around, and then I'm going to grab myself some lunch. So let's go have a look around at Store Point Hut. Got ourselves some nice picnic tables now, a couple more fire pits which weren't here before. They've put some nice gravel in the car park, so it's not so sloppy and muddy, which is good. There's a tree stump there. That was a massive tree that was there, and that was actually pushing against the hut and literally pushing it over. A bit of my handiwork up there, the chimney. I did a bit of work on that one there. So yeah, it's changed quite a lot here now. There's a drop toilet here now, which never used to be here, but was previously. We used to be able to park all the way around the hut at one stage, which we obviously can't do anymore. There is a walk around here you can do. It takes a little bit to get around, but there it is there, the walk's just there. I think it's a 10-minute walk or something like that. what is it, 2k track, 60 minute, yeah, 2k track, so it's half hour walk, well, it's an hour. Store Point Hut is off Donnelly's Creek Road. Nice easy drive to get here. Oh, look there. There's Full Drive Camping's been here. That bloke there, that's me. 10 years ago. That's what it was like when we got here. So this is Store Point Hut. Time for some lunch, eh? Time to get some lunch, and it's 3 P's today. Pie, pasta, and Pepsi for lunch. Pie, pasta, Pepsi, Triple P. Get stuck in there so much. Ooh, it's a bit cold.
Straight off Donnelly Creek track. I think I picked up the path.
Okay, we've just left Store Point Hut and we're continuing on Donnelly Creek Road. We might pop into Jorgensen's hut or campground and then probably have a quick drive through O'Toole's and see how it goes. We're going to go maybe have a look at Little O'Toole's. No promises, you just don't know to see how the day pans out. So let's continue on down the road, eh? Here at Jorgensen's hut, just to use the facilities, and then on to O'Toole's. Here we are, we head into O'Toole's campground. Lots of facilities here. You've got a drop toilet, you've got an undercover area, also designated camping spots now, gravel driveway, 5 pits for everyone, easy access, and a great spot just to have a nice little weekend away. short hill out of the river and on to Merringtons. Now, as I said before, Merringtons has had a lot of improvements over the last few years. Nice gravel roads in, fire pits everywhere, 2 drop toilets, a small undercover area, and just a small quick walk down to the river if you want to have a fish. Alright guys, Little Navigator here. She got us back to where we started from. Well, not quite, we're at the end of the Thompson Dam. We're just aired up. Thank you, Heidi, for getting us around today. She did a really good job navigating. Don't forget guys, hit that like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video, and if you want the map to this one, drop me a message. Bye for now.